was a clock and it was, and it's by John Bellairs. This is a story of mystery, confusion, magic spells, and raising the dead. Louis Fran said he had to live with some Uncle Jonathan. But Louis never met him before. His uncle was full of illusions. When Louis gets to his new home, the house looks eerie. The former owners of the house were Isaac and Serena Izzard, dark wizards who were dead. When he went inside, there were lots of clocks. Uncle Jonathan was inside with Miss Zimmerman, the next door neighbor. One night, Louis heard a bang, bang, bang. He walked into the hall and saw a big ghastly shed. It was just his uncle turning off all of the many clocks. He was listening for one strange clock that he could never find. At his school, he had a friend named Tarby. Louis wanted to impress Tarby, so one night Louis met Tarby at the graveyard. Louis accidentally raised the dead. He raised Miss Izzard from her grave in the museum. Then Miss Izzard tried to sneak into Uncle Jonathan's house to set the clock that would destroy the world. The end. 3, 2, 1, and I'm sorry. Okay, now here is Miss Izzard getting out of her tomb because she was raised by Louis, who had no idea what he was doing. So she tried to sneak in. That's her. And then she comes in, but she doesn't go in that way. She doesn't go in this way. She comes this way, then she goes this way, but she comes here.
Tell us about the house.
And that's but before it was really loud than all the other clocks, so you can hear it in all the walls. This is Louis, this is Miss Zimmerman, and this is Uncle Jonathan. Also, that's Miss Izzard, and she's trying to get to here, trying to set the clock that will probably explode and destroy the world. So then there's a candle that I used to make it eerie. And this is this fence. This is a smokestack. This is a turret. Not like the machine gun turrets, but like on the side of the house, like this one. Sometimes there's actually windows, like they're kind of like penthouses. And then that is it.
What did you get on this book report?
An A+.
Congratulations.